fun and interesting class. We're going to work with colors, primary and secondary colors. But for this, we're going to use eyes. So, our goals for today are 3. Identify primary and secondary colors, recognize the mix of colors to create new ones, and understand the different phases of water. Are you ready? Let's begin. To start, let's review the colors. The primary colors include yellow, blue, and red. The primary colors are the source for all the other colors. You can think of them as the original parents of all the future generations of colors. Now, the secondary colors include orange, green, and purple. The secondary colors are a mix from the primary colors. You can think of them as the children of the primary colors that we saw before. The secondary colors are mixed like this. Yellow and red mixed together give us orange. Yellow and blue mixed together give us green. And red and blue mixed together give us purple. So now let's have fun with all of these colors. We're going to create little ice ships with all the colors that we learned today.
For the little ships, we need glasses of water, plastic cups, toothpicks, pieces of colored paper, yellow, blue, and red paint or dye, glue, and if you want, aluminum paper. Okay, so first, we're going to mix water with paint. We are going to start with the primary colors. So we're going to mix blue, yellow, and red. Now we go with the secondary colors. So we're going to mix yellow with red. And we're going to get, we're going to get orange. Next, we mixed yellow with blue. And we're going to get green. And finally, we're going to mix red with blue. And we're going to get, that's right, purple. Then we put our colored water into the plastic cups. Meanwhile, we have to create the top of our ships. So we're going to glue the pieces of colored paper with the toothpicks. To put the top of the ship on the water, you can use the aluminum paper. Then, being very, very careful, we're going to put all the ships on the freezer. After some time, the ships are ready to take them out of the fridge. All what is left to do is to take the ships to the water and see what happened now.
I hope you enjoyed this activity with primary and secondary colors. But now let's talk a little bit about what happened with our little ice ships. At first they looked beautiful, but then with the minutes passing by, they started to melt. Well, this is completely normal, but why? Well, water is a very cool and interesting element because it changes. Water can have different phases. For example, it can be solid like ice, liquid like a cup of water that we drink, or gaseous like steam when we boil some water. So, our little ice ships, they were, solid, but then with the heat of the sun, they started to melt. So they were liquid. And then let's think what would have happened if we left the ships all day under the heat of the sun. They would have become, gaseous, like steam. How interesting is water, isn't it? I want to know if you liked this activity. I hope you did enjoy it and understand the colors and the water phases. But don't worry, if you have any question or doubt, tomorrow we're going to have a live session where we're going to talk about all our experiences creating these little ice ships. And also we're going to talk about anything you didn't understand right now. See you next time with more interesting and amazing activities. Bye!